You know how people sometimes say, "Oh, you don't want to hear me sing. I have a terrible voice. You don't want to hear that." Well, actually, we do. We want to hear you sing. Hi, I'm Brian Rogers. Welcome to The Working Musician. Yes, we want to hear you sing. You should sing. The human voice is the most natural form of communication between people, and if you could put that to music, it becomes magical. And so it's only natural that audiences will respond positively to that if you sing. And anybody can sing, unless you have some physical condition that simply will not allow you to form a note with your voice, you can sing. No excuses. Now, you're not born singing. Some people start when they're little kids, so they've got a head start and they got lots of practice throughout their lives. And some people don't start till much later. And that was the case for me. When I first started playing guitar back when I was a kid and then got into my first garage band as a teenager, I never thought that I would ever be a singer. I figured, well, I'll just be playing guitar and maybe I'll sing backup vocals here and there, but I'm never going to be really a serious singer. That's what I told myself. Well, what really happened was the bands I played in over the years, as I was singing more and more backup vocals, I got better and better at it. And then when I started recording music at home, this is back in the day before digital, and I was recording on my 4-track recorder. A lot of times I would write a song and I'd have lyrics and a vocal track that I wanted to record. And so I would go ahead and sing the part myself just so that I could put it down. But I always had the idea that, well, later on I'll get somebody else, a better singer, to come sing this. But as I made these recordings and I'm listening back to my own voice, then I'm critiquing it. And then I'm hearing what I'm doing wrong and then figuring out how I can be better the next time. And lo and behold, the more and more I did that, not just the recording, but also playing out live with my band and singing backup vocals, I did get better and better at it. And then every once in a while, I might actually sing lead vocals on a song, an easy song, something simple like, I don't know, an old song like Margaritaville or whatever, something that's really easy to sing and I know all the lyrics. But then the more you do that, the better you get at it, right? Like anything else. In addition to that, one of the best ways to practice singing is in your car when you're by yourself and you got music on and you can sing loud. And you should sing loud. I don't mean screaming, but full voice, sing the notes, do your best to actually hit those notes and don't be embarrassed about it. You know, that's why you're doing this while you're by yourself, but you just need to sing. Now, you don't have to try to hit all the high notes of some of these really advanced singers. Just do the medium stuff. If it's a note coming up in the song you can't sing, you don't have to worry about it if you can't hit that. But go for that medium kind of stuff and learn a little bit of control with your voice as you do this. Try to hit the notes and hold out those notes. Keep them nice and solid. Maybe even start to introduce a little bit of vibrato. When you start adding vibrato in, you're really learning how to control your voice. If you can hit a note, hold it out, and then add a little bit of vibrato on the end, you're learning how to control those muscles and learning how to smoothly cut off the note afterwards. That's the kind of thing you need to practice. The more you do that, the more you build this muscle control, which is right in here. And the more you learn what your voice can do. And then you can start venture a little bit higher with those notes and go for those low notes too, because those require a lot of control as well. If you're listening to country music, for example, a lot of these singers have these deep voices. Try to hit those notes. Try to hit the note and hold it out, even if it's not in the song. And then turn the music down a little bit just so that you're singing along, but you're not just getting lost behind the music. You're actually louder so that you can actually hear your own voice and you can hear what you're doing. And then to take it a step further, turn it off. Sing the song by yourself. Try to hit all the notes. Carry the tune by yourself. It might take you years. It might take you 20 years like it did me. But eventually you'll get to the point where you feel confident enough that you can say, yes, I can sing lead. Yes, I'm a good singer. It doesn't mean I'm a great singer. But I'm a good singer, and I can say that with confidence because I know it's true. It's not an arrogance thing. It's not an ego thing. It's just that I have accomplished this, and I know that I can do this. And that takes a lot of practice, and in my case, it took a lot of years. And if you haven't started singing, it's going to take you a lot of years too. But you can do it. Anybody can do this. So we look forward to hearing you sing. If you haven't already, like, comment, and subscribe. Or you can jump over to my website, rogersguitar.com, and we'll see you next time.